Good afternoon, students. So, today I will demonstrate the procedure of vital sign. What is vital sign? Vital signs are used to measure the body's basic function, that is temperature, pulse, and respiration. Because these three are related to our vital organ. Now the purposes of vital sign: to ascertain the general condition of the patient, to aid in diagnosis, to assess the alteration in health status, to observe the therapeutic effect of drug given to patient. Then indication for vital sign: before and after any surgical procedure, before and after giving any medication, then on admission, on discharge, for regular checkup. Okay, then in vitals we will check temperature, pulse, and respiration. So, what is temperature? Temperature is the degree of heat maintained by the body, and normal body temperature is in axilla 97.6, in oral 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, and in rectum 99.6 degree Fahrenheit. Next is, what is respiration? Respiration is the act of breathing, and it includes inspiration, that is breathe in, and expiration, that is breathe out. Normal respiratory rate is 16 to 20 beats per minute. Next is pulse. What is pulse? Pulse is rhythmical throbbing of the artery as blood flow or propelled through them. Normal pulse rate is 70 to 80 beats per minute for adult patient. So, everyone, understand everyone? For prepare what article we need. Okay. So first one is temperature chart to maintain record and report. A solution jar to keep antiseptic solution. Thermometer to take the temperature. Paper bag and kidney tray. Paper bag for dry waste and kidney tray for liquid waste. 2 wool with cotton swab, 1 for wet cotton and 1 for soapy cotton. To clean the thermometer. 1 watch to count the respiration and pulse. 2 pen, red pen for record the pulse rate and blue pen for record the temperature and respiration. Steps of procedure. So before starting the procedure, I will wash my hand. Then I start the procedure. I will explain the procedure to the patient. मैम, मैं आपका टेम्परेचर, पल्स एंड रेस्पिरेशन चेक करूँगी. Will provide the privacy to the patient. Then first, I clean the axilla of the patient. Then I take the thermometer and wipe the thermometer with wet swab in one stroke from bulb to stem lightly. Then I check the mercury level. If the mercury level is above the 95 degree Fahrenheit, then I will shake the thermometer. The mercury level is below the mercury level should be below the 95 degree Fahrenheit, and I will check the thermometer in eye level. Now the mercury level is below the 95 degree Fahrenheit. Now I place the thermometer in patient axilla. Now I ask the patient to place the thermometer in her axilla part in horizontal way. Now I check the pulse rate for 1 minute. 1 minute is done. After that, I will check the respiration. Minute only. Total 3 minutes. We will check in TPR. For 1 minute temperature, 1 minute respiration, and 1 minute pulse. Okay, 1 minute is left. 3 minutes is done. Now I ask the patient to remove the thermometer. Next, I will wipe the thermometer with wet wap lightly from stem to bulb. Then I will read the mercury level. Then I will clean the thermometer with soapy cotton from stem to bulb. Then I will next clean the thermometer with wet cotton. Then dip in solution jar. Then I will record the TPR in TPR chart, and I will inform the physician for any abnormality or further details. Then I will terminate the article in utility room.